We are gonna start on the left side of the head, and we're gonna create an outside French braid. It's easier to kind of fan out and make look a little bit thicker without losing any volume at all.
You're gonna braid about 3/4 of the way down, and once you get there, you're gonna fan out the braid and make it a little bit fuller and thicker looking.
Now on the right side, we're gonna do the same thing. Do an outside style French braid, and we're going to continue to add hair, just leaving a little bit out by the front and right up until about just behind the ear. Once you get to about right behind the ear, you can stop adding hair into the braid and then just continue to braid it on its own. And again, we're going to pancake this braid just to give it a little bit more volume. And once you're done that braid, you're going to take the left hand braid and we're going to pin it in place just in the back of the head. I usually like to use 2 bobby pins, and I try and crisscross them just to kind of give it a good base so it doesn't feel like it's going to fall out. You're going to do the same thing and crisscross that braid from the right hand side. I kind of tuck in that hair just where the elastic is, and then I fold that hair over and pin it. And again, taking your braid and fanning it out just a little bit thicker. Ooh, I have some hair cuffs here. Oh no, lost one. So we are gonna place these on top of the braid, just to kind of add a little extra detail. They're pretty easy to use. All you do is open them up a little bit and then you just squish them onto the hair. And I find it's just a nice detail and adds a little extra. Even just do a regular braid, if you had a small skinny braid, you had a couple of these, it just jazzes it up a bit. Just add a couple more, detailing your hairstyle. There, I think we're pretty much done. Perfect. There you have it. Thanks so much for watching my video. If you liked it, make sure to subscribe.